Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Ford F150 door, Keypad 2024, easy method. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the ignition off. Press the 1-2 key within 5 seconds to enter programming mode and follow the keypad prompts. If programming fails, try replacing the battery or repeating the sequence slowly and intentionally until the vehicle accepts the code successfully installed. Gather essentials before you start for a smooth setup. Have the original key, owner manual, and a fresh keypad battery on hand. Locate the factory code on the door jamb or owner manual and write it down. If you lack the factory code, visit a dealer with proof of ownership or use the VIN to retrieve it quickly. Keep vehicle in park and doors closed while programming to avoid interruptions. This prevents code reset or failed attempts. Programming is simple and quick when you follow the sequence precisely. Press the 1-2 key and then enter the factory code, followed by your new 5-digit personal code. Confirm the new code by locking and unlocking the doors with the keypad and repeat if necessary. Store the new code in a secure place and test all doors to ensure consistent operation. If you live in extreme climates, test the keypad responsiveness in hot and cold to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.